An rud eile liv son buineach the nail portig.
Níl portí well úsáide deir a tarsin úsáid ar a chonne salhar béil. Búthe bitir tá se forasta bhrí fásta bitir de momulde na mar sin agus dótha balgam da sin agus hátan de bhéil agus chaithe math ríiste dá mó Yes, tíon de bhéal da me tan nefne na habí me sin agus tan salhar béil bín pean lei sin agus chunethe gá lei sin fása go ddíhaí a se. Agus an sin ratha tú síos faoi deir sin agus tá ruúta mór hí san sin agus thugann tú níos tá crí dearagaige agus dúise dí sin chunne bunne é na daoine ná é na buith. Agus níthe suasa agus fruthe agus níl se Jackíol.
So that was the nail portig, and it was, the English for that is tormental. Agus tablahan a bána no bui. So little yellow flowers on it. And we got a photo of that too, yeah, it's there everywhere. And the nail portig is the little yellow flowers, but the leaves are used for, what did you say the leaves were used for again?
Salhar béil.
Oh, shaffer, sorry. Unhygienic mouth or diseases of the mouth. Yeah, like when you have boils and any sort of ulcers in the mouth. Agus and sun, but then the root of it is deep under the ground, and you break it open, you dig it up and you break it open, and it's red inside, and it's good for diarrhea. For animals, agus for deer, and for people.
A lot of the herbs I would be talking about, they used them for the animals as well. Sheep, cattle, goats, everything like that. They used the same. And it's usually the men, if it was the cattle that had diarrhea or this and that, it's the men that would go out to get that. For the rest of the herbs, it's the women that was always out gathering.
Interesting. Wonder why that was.
Well, the men had to look after their own animals and things like that.
Yeah.